Hi guys, and welcome to our tutorial today on Packet Tracer. More specifically, how to use the software to do just something as basic as get this computer to be able to talk to this computer. Okay, so we've two PCs and in the middle we've a router. Now, the first thing we should do is configure our router so we can connect the cables. To do this, we click on the router and we get our design here off the back of the router. Now at the moment we can see we've no interfaces to connect the cables to. So we need to power off the router by clicking there, and we need this interface. So we click it and just drag it over and drop it there. Power back on our router and just click the X there at the top. Okay, so now we're ready to put our cables in. So we go down here, we choose our connections. From a PC to a router will be a crossover, as it let the information transfer over and back so we can send and receive. So we click that, click our PC, that's fast Ethernet we choose, and we connect that to our fast Ethernet 0/0 port. Okay, so we just need one for here. So we click that, and it's FA01 this time, and our PC here is fast Ethernet. Okay, so what we need to do is stick an IP address here and another one here, and then two final ones on each PC. So one here and one here. Okay, so to put these ones on, we need to click on the router. We need to go into our CLI tab, and it'll ask us to continue a configuration dialog. We want to hit no because we want to hit our own configuration. So we press enter again and we type E in to enable our router, and we want to go into our configuration terminal. So that's config T and hit enter, and we want to do our first port, which is the FA0/0, which is that port there. So we do int, short for interface, FA0/0, and we hit the return key, and we want to do IP address, and it's 192.168.1 because it's the first network, .1, and 255.255.255.0, and we hit the return key. We do a no shutdown command, which keeps the port up and active. And we see our lights have now turned green. So we do the same on the second port, which is our FA0/1 port. So we hit return again, and this time it's int FA0/1. We hit return, and we want IP address 192.168. Now we're on the second network, so it's 2.1. The FA ports are always the first number assigned on that IP configuration, so it's 1 there. So our subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, which is our general subnet mask. So we hit return, and we give the no shutdown command again, and hit return. And we should have green lights on that side as well. We do. Brilliant. Okay, so next we have to configure our PCs. So we click on the PC, and we go to desktop and IP configuration, and we give it an IP address of 192.168.1.10. So that's our network there, the one. Our subnet mask we've already defined as 255.255.255.0, and our default gateway is our gateway out of the network, so it's actually this one here, the FA0/0. So whatever IP address you've given that, we've given it 192.168.1.1. Okay, so we click X there. Do the same on PC2, desktop, IP config, and the IP address 192.168. Now you have to be careful here, you're on the second network, so it's 2.1.10. Now, our subnet mask is the same, 255.255.255.0. Our default gateway for this one is this port here, the FA0/1 port. So it's 192.168.2, second network, .1. Okay, so that's all our PCs and routers configured. Now, when I send a packet, this is our test packet here. When I click that and bring it here, and I click here as well, this will actually fail because the two PCs do not know about each other yet. But from that transmission, they will have discovered each other. The first packet always fails. So, if we try it again, and we click on this PC, and we click on this PC, we have success. And if we try it from the other side, click on this PC to this PC, we have a success as well. Okay guys, so that's a basic on how to get two PCs to talk to each other in Packet Tracer. It's a very useful tool, and I hope you learned something. And any questions, drop me a comment below and I'll get back to you. Thank you.